me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. As you see, I'm back with another wig video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put a 360 lace wig into a high ponytail, as you can see. Okay. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. As you see, I have this straight synthetic wig right here. Her name is Aaliyah. She is a 360 wig. If you're not sure what that means, basically what that means is that it has 360 lace, meaning that it has lace literally all the way around the wig. Some wigs will just have like a lace frontal and then like a piece of lace in the back, but this one has it all the way even around the sides, which, you know, would allow you to wear it all up and stuff like that, which is also what I'm going to be showing you in this video today. So as you can see, it has all of this free parting space right here in the front. I don't think I remember the size. If I do, I believe it's like 13 by 4, but you have all this parting space right here. And then this wig also comes with an adjustable elastic band already attached, and it has, like I said, the lace all the way around, and it has the adjustable straps and the comb in the back center, and it also has the 2 combs on. Oh, actually it has a comb like right in the center, like right after the parting space, and then 2 on the sides. So I'm gonna show you how it looks on me first, just, you know, out, and then I'm gonna show you how I style it on the mannequin to put it up into a ponytail to wear up in a ponytail. Okay, so here's how it looks on. This is how far down it comes to on me, and in the back it comes down to right here. Like I said, it has all this, you know, free frontal parting space. This one is in the color 4, and like I said, it is synthetic. And if you look really closely at it, I'm gonna try and show you guys in the camera. If you look really closely at it, you can see that it has like a yucky texture in the hair. You see like the crinkly, you know, yucky texture of the hair. So she's super cute, and like I said, today I'm going to be showing y'all how I'm going to style it on the mannequin, just because putting it up into a ponytail while it's on your head seems so much harder than doing it on the mannequin. So that's really what this video is about. So I'm gonna cut the lace after I already styled the ponytail. I'll just show you guys, okay? So let's just jump right into that then. If you guys have any questions about wearing it down, just let me know. But this video is mainly gonna be focused on how to style a 360 wig into a high ponytail. Okay, so first I'm gonna take some wig pins and just pin the wig down to the mannequin head. I am gonna be putting gel on it to hold it. So the gel I'm gonna be using is this gold Eco Styler gel. I love Eco Styler gel. I use it for basically everything. Okay, so now that the hair is in the ponytail, I'm just going to cut the lace following the hairline. So now I'm gonna put the wig on my head, and the way I'm gonna adhere it as opposed to glue is I'm gonna use tape strips, just because like putting glue all on the back of your neck is doing too much. Like, it's so messy. So tape, I figured would be the best option for that. Okay, so since this hairline on this wig is like way too perfect, if you don't feel like plucking it and customizing it, what you could do is sit it right behind your hairline. So what I'm gonna do, since my hair isn't the same color as this wig, I'm just gonna put some mascara on like my edges and stuff to make it blend. Okay, so two quick things. One, this is a brown mascara, not a black one, but like if you get black, well, first of all, you don't have to do this if your hair is the same color as the wig. I'm just doing this because I have like strawberry blonde hair and it won't look right. But if your hair is the same color as a wig, you can just skip this step. All right, so I'll come back to the front after I tape it down. So I'm gonna tape down the corners, even though it's gonna be on my hair, it's okay, and the back. All right, you guys, here's the final result. This is the best that I could do with my hair being a different color than the wig, and also my hair being so short. My biggest struggles were these corners right here. If you have longer hair, you can either leave your corner pieces of hair out, like how some people leave them out in like ponytails, or you could pull your hair up like over the wig into the ponytail with the wig so that it looks like natural. Since I don't have long hair, like the best I could do was put the mascara and try to blend it as best as I could. And then last but not least, I took a put a headband right here to cover the line of demarcation between my hairline and the start of the wig so that it looks like it's coming out of my hairline, if that makes sense. And then also the headband is holding down the back so that it doesn't lift, you know what I mean? So yeah, it came out super cute. Like I said, this will be a lot easier if your hair is longer. This is just what I did with the hair that I have to work with. So I like it, it's super cute though. So if If you guys have any questions, just let me know. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.